Good news, people! It's Unconditional Foods Episode 6. Today's dish is potato pancake with smoked salmon. Before you start the video, make sure you destroy that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on our channel. Check out the video description for the list of ingredients. Note that not all the ingredients displayed here is for the recipe. That's for our next video, so make sure you watch that when it comes out. Or death. If you watched our first few videos, we've done something a bit more towards home cooking and comfort food. But today, we're doing something a bit more soigné, just to change it up. And what do we mean by soigné? Watch this video to find out. To start, finally slice your chives with a very sharp knife, because you don't want bruised chives. It's just bleh, and it's not soigné, you know? My chef will be yelling at me if he saw bruised chives. Like, Jerry, you bloody wanker, you call that sliced chives? It's bloody bruised, mate. Next, brunoise or finely dice one shallot. Once you are done, make sure you give the shallots a quick rinse under some cold running water just to cut some of the sharpness from the onion. So for the smoked salmon, we used cold smoked salmon. Cold smoked salmon means that the salmon is smoked at a lower temperature around 75 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. The salmon is still technically raw, where hot smoked salmon is smoked somewhere between 120 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, and the salmon is cooked all the way through. The preference in salmon is totally up to you, but I prefer cold smoked. It's a bit silkier and softer in texture. You could probably find good smoked salmon at your local specialty or at your Jewish/kosher food store. Use Google, that helps. So you can also find decent smoked salmon at places like Whole Foods and Costco. We sourced a beautiful piece of smoked salmon from a local restaurant. We've then removed the skin and any of the brown flesh that remains on the salmon, which is the fat line. Then with a sharp knife, slice the salmon to about a 3 to 4 millimeter thick, transfer onto a plate, and store in the fridge until we are ready for assembly. Ah oui, look at that salmon glisten. That is soigné. Next, we are going to wash and thoroughly scrub our potatoes, just to remove any of the dirt. After washing the potatoes, grate with a box grater and season with a few twists of salt and mix. Next, heat up a good quality non-stick pan on medium-high heat and add enough vegetable oil so that there is a thin layer. To make our potato pancake a bit more soigné, we use the metal ring mold to give it that almost perfect round shape. The ring mold is totally optional, as you could use a small non-stick pan just like the one we used in the video. Keeping in mind you'll probably need a bit more oil and grated potato. Once you see the oil starting to smoke, add the grated potato into the ring mold, and using a small offset spatula, start patting down the pancake so it's evenly pressed down. Also, cool people, keep in mind that we started at medium-high heat. You'll probably need to adjust the temperature of the pan so the pancake doesn't get too dark. There's a fine line where the heat is too high and you could burn the pancake, and if it's too low, it will get soggy, not get crispy, and color. Next, use the offset spatula to remove the ring mold, and lift the pancake to check the color. You're looking for a nice golden brown. Once you get both sides nice and crispy and golden brown, we are ready to plate. Place your pancake on a plate and lay a few pieces of smoked salmon on top. Congratulations, you guys made it to the end of the video. Let us know in the comments below, what do you guys think? Feedback is always appreciated, and other recipes you want us to feature on this channel. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next episode.